In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand the head of this Rico character to Tegwolo character, and I'll be using Moho Pro software for this tutorial. So make sure you watch the video to the end because I'll show you how to get this Moho Pro software and the project file of this character for free. And also, please subscribe to this channel and follow this page because I'll upload new tutorials every week. Now let's continue making the video. So the first part is for you to import your character. So go into the place you store your character and import the project file of your character. Okay, then select the Rico character and then press OK so that you can import it into your project. I've also imported the background, so that is how the first thing that you need to do. Okay, then the next thing, as you can see, I have already designed the Rico character we'll be using for this animation, so there won't be any need for us to draw any character. I use Moho Pro software on my laptop to easily create this 2D Rico character you are seeing before using it for animation. So if you want to get the project file of this character and the Moho software, then join my YouTube membership. Use the link in the description of this video to join my YouTube membership, and you gain access to the project file of this character and also gain access to all my animation asset project file. Okay, just drop a comment saying I'm interested. I will send the project file to you directly. So moving on, you see that this character have been boned. If I move any part of the bone, the character will move. Okay, so I'm going to add, first of all, add a secondary action, the hand waving. So the character needs to wave his hand before the head will start to I'll start to work on the head. So I'm going to first of all animate the what I'm going to animate the character finger and also the hand to wave. So after that, after doing all those things, then I can now go to the head. So this head now is made up of points, so I'll select my transform point. Okay, then I can now select any point I want and then I will start to drag it. Okay, so that is how you transform the head of your character. You work with the points. So those points you are seeing now, as you expand the point, it creates the illusion and start looking like Tegwolo head. I hope you are understanding, guys. So I will continue to adjust this head until I get the size I want. You see that in 2D animation you work with points. Anyhow you adjust your point, that is how the shape is going to look like. Okay, so I'll continue to adjust the point because that is the main thing we are doing here. So guys, if you want to learn how to create your own characters and also how to animate the character and create animation videos that can go viral, yes, I recommend you join my animation class where I teach you one-on-one mentorship, the easy way to create your own character, okay, from beginner to professional level. I also teach you how to monetize your animation skills. So if you want to join my class and learn from the expert on how to create animation videos that can go viral, so use the link in the description of this video, okay, to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me to gain access to my animation class. You see that if I play the video in the timeline, the head is already transforming. So that point you are seeing now is keyframe. So you use keyframe to record any animation. Okay, so that point the head is that point I transform the head. Once I do the thing will record on the keyframe. Then I'll press Ctrl C to copy a keyframe. You can see. So if I want to export this video now, I'm going to work on all of them. So when I'm done doing everything, then I'll calculate the number of frames that I've already worked on. I'll also set up my camera movement and make sure that the camera is in order. So if the camera is okay, then that means I'll just maybe I'll just zoom into the head because you know that we are focusing on the head. So it will zoom out and then zoom into the head and then the effect will happen. Okay guys, I hope you are understanding what I'm teaching. So before we continue, guys, please, if you are watching this video, please do me a quick favor, like this video, guys, and subscribe to this channel. Follow this page for more tutorials. Okay, so when you finish setting up everything that has to do with the camera, and just play the video, and then if you are okay with it, if you like the way the head is transforming and everything is okay, so the animation stop at frame 103. Then go to file, go to export animation. Then I'm going to put the end frame there, 105. Okay, then I'm going to rename the name of this project. So I'll call it Rico character. Then I'll press OK. So the video is already exporting. As you can see, I'm using the Moho Pro software for this animation, so all the advanced features are working for free and they don't show watermark or logo, Moho logo. So if you want to get the software, just comment I'm interested. I'll send the software to you directly. Okay, so guys, that is so I'll wait for the exporting. Very soon now it will finish exporting. Okay, just hold on, it will finish exporting now. Okay, just hold on. You see so guys, that is how you do a head transformation of Rico character to Tegwolo character. I hope this video was helpful. Please, if it was, please like this video, okay, and subscribe to this channel, follow this page guys. If you want to get the project file of this character, okay, join my YouTube membership. Support me by joining my YouTube membership. Once you become a member of this channel, you will gain access to all the project file of my animation asset, including this Rico character project file you are seeing. So use the link in the description of this video to join my YouTube membership, okay. And if you want to learn how to create your own animation videos, I recommend you join my animation class, where I teach you everything you need to know about cartoon animation. I will teach you step-by-step process on how to create cartoon characters, how to animate on your phone or laptop, and how to monetize your content. So if you are interested and you want to learn how to create cartoon videos, join my WhatsApp channel. Use the link in the description of this video to join my WhatsApp channel and then contact me for my animation class, okay. So guys, I hope this video was very helpful to you, and if you want to continue learning about Rico and Moho animations, I have made over a playlist that you can use to watch more tutorials. So use the playlist link in the description of this video to watch all my Moho Pro tutorials, okay. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week with a new video.